Okay, here we go. The next Matt's Math and More today is volume. No, you have to use a formula and work on volume. If you're doing math expressions, it coordinates with homework 8-10. And oh my gosh, it's using a formula and keeping track of like your numbers and everything, and then putting your answer in measurement cubic units. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. It's not as crazy as sizzling in a pan with a bunch of bacon, but it's crazy. All right, so when we're looking at volume, we're looking at a three-dimensional shape, and we're looking at how much of a particular unit can fit inside of a shape. Like it could be cubic feet, cubic inches, cubic yards, cubic meters, cubic centimeters, whatever. Anyway, let's pretend we're doing this guy here. I'm going to try to do my drawing the best I can. He's 4 inches by 4 inches. That's our base. And then let's pretend he's got a height too. Oh boy, my artwork is a little lacking here. 4 by 4, there's his 4. Doing my best. No, this is terrible. We're going to have to start again. Okay, I actually sat down and it took me like a couple minutes, and this is the best I could do, so bear with me here. Pretend this guy is 4 inches. All right, there we go. By 4 inches. And then it's like, pretend it's like a building, like a skyscraper, like the whole 6-inch skyscraper. So we got a length, a width, and a height. And actually, when you look at it this way, this is not the length. This would be the height. So you're pretending it's a building, so the building's like 6 inches tall. This would be the length and the width. It's like the base of the building, 4 by 4. So that's your length and your width. So when you're setting up your paper tonight for homework, what I've been telling everybody is they have to fold their paper in quadrants, just like we always do. And so you got your homework paper over here. And you're going to do a formula. Volume equals length times width times height. In this particular case, the base is 4 by 4, so that's your length and your width. Which seems weird because you'd think the longest side is the length, but it's not. That's really the height in this case. So if you take a look at it, maybe we're going to take a look at it in a different way. Hold on, let me build something for you. Okay, so check this out. We got the 4 by 4 by 6 here, and we're talking about the volume equals length times width times height of this rectangular prism. Let's pretend this orange one represents this 4 inch by 4 inch. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would represent this part of it. Length times width, 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. There we go. Now we got to go up 6 inches. So there's 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we'll take this green one. There we go. That's 4 by 4. That's 2 inches up. 3. 3 inches. 4. 4 inches. No. There comes 5. 5 inches up. Here comes 6. So this is really the height. Even though 6 is the longest of the 3 dimensions here, that's not the length, it's the height, because if you think about a building, we got a length and a width and a height. So this is 4 by 4 by 6. 4 by 4 by 6. And then just make this like a PEMDAS problem, so put the first 2 in brackets. 4 by 4 by 6. So the volume equals 4 by 4 by 6. Nice, so I got it built, we got all that done. So now we're doing the rest of the formula. So we know 4 times 4 is 16, and bring down the 6. Our last part of our formula is 16 times 6, so 16 times 6. I know 10 times 6 is 60. 6 times 6 is 36. That equals 96. All right, we've got 96. We originally said it was inches. Now, these are cubes. Look at them. If we were to count that, there's 96 of them. That's a lot of cubes. That was 4 times 4 times 6, 96 cubes. Now, the way you do this for cubes, it's a little number 3. That means cubic inches. And why is it a number 3? Oh, here it is right here. Little number 3. Why? Because we have a length, a width, and a height. That's 3 dimensions. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we represent it with a number 3. 96 inches cubed. 4 times 4 times 6. Mmm, bacon.